In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide and remove chat on Pinterest. If you want to clean up your Pinterest inbox and remove a conversation from your active view, the process is quick and simple. This is especially helpful if you have old chats you no longer need to see all the time, or if you just want to keep your messages more organized. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to tap so you can hide a conversation in just a few moments. Start by opening Pinterest and locating the messages icon. Depending on the device you're using and the version of Pinterest you have, this icon may appear at the top of the screen or in the side menu. Take a second to look around the interface if you don't see it right away. Once you find it, click on the messages icon to open your inbox and view your current conversations. After your messages are open, look through the list and select the conversation you want to remove from your active inbox view. Make sure you open the correct chat, especially if you have multiple conversations with similar profile images or recent activity. Tapping into the conversation will bring up the full chat thread. Next, look at the top area of the chat for the 3 dots icon or a settings option. This is where Pinterest usually places extra controls related to that conversation. Click on the 3 dots or the settings menu to reveal the available actions for the chat. From the menu that appears, choose Hide Conversation. Once you select this option, Pinterest will remove that chat from your active inbox view. This can be a useful way to clear clutter without having to manage every message individually. If your goal is simply to make your inbox look cleaner, this option is usually the fastest solution. Keep in mind that hiding a conversation removes it from your main visible list, so it's great for tidying things up. If Pinterest updates its layout in the future, the wording or placement of the option may look slightly different, but the general process should stay very similar. Open Messages, select the chat, open the Options menu, and choose to hide the conversation. And that's it. That's how to hide and remove chat on Pinterest quickly and easily.